Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by initializing a Git repository with Unity. Git ignore and enable Git LFS for large assets. This prevents file bloat and merge failures. Once done, choose whether your team will use one main scene or split by feature, because that choice affects locking and merge strategy. Make sure to assign owners for scenes, code, and assets to reduce conflicts, and set clear commit message rules so everyone knows why changes were made. You work on features in isolated branches and merge to a shared development branch only after local tests pass, because that minimizes broken builds. Once done, prevent collisions by locking binary scenes or, better, split work with additive scenes so each person edits different scene files. Make sure to use continuous integration that runs Unity tests, validates builds, and checks asset imports. This catches issues early and explains why you finalize changes through pull requests with at least one approving review. This catches logic and design regressions. Once approved, run a final CI build and test on your target platforms to confirm performance and input. If problems happen, rebase your branch onto the latest development branch and resolve conflicts locally. When scenes conflict, use Unity's Smart Merge or Open Additive Scene versions to manually reconcile. This preserves work and explains why the conflict occurred.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.